Straight. ऐसा. ऐसा. Straight. So students, we are doing reading. So diameter of specimen, sir.
10 mm.
So diameter of specimen, torsion test. Diameter of specimen. Is 10 mm. Diameter of specimen is 10 mm. Gauge length of the specimen.
గేజ్ లెంగ్త్ బీటంలో 100 ఇది 100 ఇది.
Gauge length of specimen 100 mm. And polar moment of inertia I have to find out. So what is polar moment of inertia? Polar moment of inertia is equals to pi t to the power 4 upon 32. So pi into 32 into 10 to the power 4. So pi into 10 4 into divided by 32. So that is 3.14 into 100 into divided by 32. 981.25 mm to the power 4. This is the polar moment of inertia. Next table. So we have to draw a table. So in the first column, that is serial number. Next, angle of twist. Next, angle of twist in radian. So this is 1 degree. Angle of twist in radian. Next, torque. So it is given in kgf. You have to convert into Newton meter. And after that Newton mm. Next, modulus of rigidity. Next, shear stress. So this is our total calculation part. So in this, you can see here, we have noted down 5 readings. First one, 20 kgf at 20 kgf there is 0 degree, here also 0. Next second one is 40 kgf and 1 here 1 degree, and 1 degree we have to convert into radian. So how to convert into radian? 1 into 5 by 180, so that is 0.017 radian. Next we have to third reading is 60 kgf, angle is 2, so 2 is multiplied, 2 is we convert into radian, so what is 0.034 radian. Next fourth reading is 80, next 80, fifth reading, so it is 3, so in radian what is the value? 3, so it is 0.052 radian. Last reading is 100 and angle is 4 degree, so 4, so what is that? 0.0699, .0698 radian. So this is all about radian. Your mobile, आपका मोबाइल. Students, here you can see there is 20 kgf. So 20 kgf, if you convert the 20 kgf into Newton a meter, so it comes 1 I will explain you. So 1 kgf is equals to 0.098 Newton meter. So there is 20 kgf. So 20 kgf is equals to that is 1.96 Newton Newton meter, or you can tell directly 2 Newton meter. So here I am writing 2 Newton meter approximate equals to, and here 4 Newton meter, here 6 Newton meter, here 8 Newton meter, here 10 Newton meter, and Newton mm. So 1 meter is equals to 1000 mm. So 1000, so you have to multiply 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000. So there is, you have a units, you have a reading in 3 kgf, Newton meter, Newton mm. So we have to calculate modulus of rigidity. So how to calculate the modulus of rigidity? There is one formula, T by J equals to G theta by L is equals to tau by R. This formula you will study in the 5th unit of the MOS subject. So T by J, here T is the torque, J is the polar moment of inertia, G is the modulus of rigidity, theta is a degree, angle of twist in radian, L is the length of the shaft, and R is the radius of the shaft, and tau is the shear stress. So we have to find out the G. So for G, T by J equals to G theta by L. So we have to calculate G is equals to T L upon theta into J. So here G is equals to T. T is how much? 2000. So we have to write 2000. L is what? You can see 100 mm. So we have to write 100 mm. Divide by theta. First theta is what? In radian. 0.017 into J. How much J? This is 981.25 mm to the power 4. So you have to write down 981.25. So what is G? You have to calculate. So it is G is 89.51 Newton per mm square. So we have to write down 11,989.51. Next, for next reading, we have to change the. We have to just change the. This is G1. For next reading, we have to change. We have to change the value of T and theta. So just we have to change the value of T and theta. Here T becomes 4000 and theta becomes 0.034. Again the value is same. G2 is also 1189.51. 1189.51. Next we have to change the again for G3. G3 G3, for G3 we have to change theta value, that is 5000, not 6000. So 6000, we have to write 6000, and here the value is changed. What is? Sorry, this is wrong. Sorry for that.
ఇది రాంగ్ సార్.
So sorry for that, because we have to multiply, so this modulus of rigidity value is, I think, 0 becomes for this, because we have to multiply 0, so it is not determined. So we have taken 20 for 21, no?
20
At 20 Newton, 20 kg of 1 or 0?
0.
0, no?
20 అక్కడ వేసింది సార్ ఇక్కడ.
So this is not possible, because this reading is not possible. So we have to write here only 6000, 4000, okay, it is correct. For 6000, okay, 0.017. This is some mistake is there, so please 4000. So 4000 into 100 divided by 0.017 into 981.25.
25.
This is at angle is 0.5 degree, and here we have to change it. Okay. So it is for 4000, the value is 23979.02, and for this, so for 0.5 into 5 into divided by 180, so that is 0.008. To 0.008. So for this we have to determine the value for 2000 also. 2000 into 100 divided by 0.008 multiply 8 into 981. So
చూడండి.
981.25. So it is 25477. And for next reading we have to do 6000, and here 34. So what is? $6,000 17984.26. Again we have to change this value. This value is 8,000, and we have to change this value also. So we will get Z4 value. Z4 G4. G4 value we have to get. So this and this angle is 0.052. So we have to write 0.052. So again we have to change 0.052 and here 8,000. So what is 15678.59. We have to change again. Value is 10,000 and here angle is, we have to change that angle 0.0698. So we have to change 0.06 698 and again this is 10,000. So what is the answer? 1460.4. So these are the models of rigidity: G1, G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5. Next we have to calculate the shear stress. So how to calculate the shear stress? Just you see this. So shear stress is T by J equals to tau by R. So tau is the shear stress. So T into R by J. So tau 1, T1 into R upon J. So you can see if T1 is changed, we can change tau shear stress is changed. So T1 is 20,000, 2,000. So 2,000. R is, this is 10 mm diameter. So radius is 5. J is 981.25. So what is J? Just to calculate, 2000 into 5 divided by 981.25. What is the value? Is 10.19 Newton per mm square. Next, tau 2 we have to, so here I am writing 10.19 Newton per mm square. Here unit is Newton per mm square. Here unit is Newton per mm square. So 10.19. Just we have to change the 4,000. What is 4,000? For 4,000, 20.38. So 20.38. Just we have to change the 6,000. So what is 30.57. So 30.57. Next, we have to change the 7,000, 8,000. So just we have to change the 8,000. 8,000. So what is? It is 40.76. Next, we have to change the 8,000 into 10,000. So we have to change this value 10,000. So what is? It is 50.95 or 50.96. So we have to change the 50.96. So you can see here, this is, if torque is increases, then shear stress is also increases. Just see, every shear stress is increases with the torque. Next we have to, so this is about the calculation. Next we have to plot the graph between t and theta. So how to plot the graph between t and theta? Just you see this, t and angle of twist. So here one axis I have taken, this is t and this is theta, angle of twist, and angle of twist is equal interval 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here t is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 20, 40, 80, 60, 80, 100. So this is a 60. So this. So 20 at 20, what is 0.5? So 0.5 is here only. So we have to mark this point at 42. So this is 42 at 3000 at 63. So 63, it is increasing here at 2 at 0.5, 41. So 20 at 0.5, 41, 2 at 60. At 60 how much? 2 degree. So 60 is 2. So 60 is 2, and then 80 is 3. 80 is 3. So 80 is here, and 100 at 4. So 100 is here. So you can see here, this line is simple straight line. If you see this simple straight line, and there is one point, 0.5, 1, 2, 3, and last is the 4. So you can see the t and theta graph is the one straight line. So this is one experiment which I performed today. So you can do the calculation from this video, and I will share with you the document also, how to write the experiment in your lab record. Okay, so till now, bye.